Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you are the authorized owner and noting the exact safe model and keypad type. Have proof of ownership ready, including receipts or registration, and inspect the battery or power source. Once done, take clear photos of the serial number and keypad layout to share with support. Do not waste time on repeated code guesses that can lock the unit. Instead, prepare documentation and the safe's environment, so the next steps are handled by authorized channels. Next, contact the manufacturer's official support line or a licensed locksmith. This avoids risky DIY methods. Explain the situation, provide the model and serial number, and follow their identity verification process. If the manufacturer offers a code recovery or reset procedure, they will guide you through secure steps that preserve warranty. If using a locksmith, confirm licenses, insurance, and that they use non-destructive entry when possible. Keep receipts and document interaction. Finally, once access is restored, secure the safe by replacing batteries, changing the code to a strong, memorable sequence, and registering the new credentials with the manufacturer if available. Document the method used and any service reports for your records and insurance. Make sure you store proof of ownership and emergency contact info nearby. If the first attempt fails, escalate with the manufacturer or obtain a second licensed locksmith opinion rather than attempting invasive methods yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.